How are you all? I hope all are doing good. Today in EVS class, we will continue Lesson 1 Festivals. In the previous class, what have we learned? Yes, we have learnt about some religious festivals like Diwali, Pongal, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas, etc. Today we will discuss about national festivals. Before we start this topic, we must know what is a national festival. National festival means important festival celebrated by all countrymen. There are some festivals which are very important to us as Indians. These are called national festivals. Our national festival days are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Now, let us discuss about national festivals. Republic Day. In India, Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. Parades are held in every state. Parade means march past. The President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi at Rajpath, and he gives medals to brave children also on this day. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. On this date, in the year 1947, our country became free from British rule. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. Children, when do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October? We celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti because this is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of our nation. He was a great leader and freedom fighter. On 2nd October, our prayer meeting is held at Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi, the Rajghat. Our national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Now, tell me children, what are the things we have discussed in this lesson? We celebrate special days as festivals. Diwali is called the festival of lights. On Eid, people pray in mosques and prepare Sivaiya. Guru Nanak Guru Purab is celebrated by having langar. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the national festival days. So children, from this lesson, we have learned that all festivals become more fun when we celebrate them with others. Festivals bring joy and happiness. So, we should enjoy all the festivals. I hope you all have understood this lesson very well. Thank you, children. Take care. May God bless you all.